Don't do that.
Stop camera.
Don't try to make it look like you're affectionate.
I love him, yeah.
Turn the camera off. He's throwing my hand away.
This is like real Florida, these houses. Do you reckon they'd be worth millions?
No.
Should we make a bet?
That one, I'd probably go 700.
800 for that one?
You reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, well, plan to be proven wrong.
I forgot to get a video of our food. We're not very good at vlogging. That's an empty plate though.
Well, it's not.
No. We're going to go for a walk around the park, but we saw Dunkin Donuts, so I always get worried when the pavement's on a hill. Wide hills are worse than bigger hills.
You don't
notice and then you just tip out.
Chocolate caramel filled.
What do you rate it?
Like a 6. Like, it's not amazing, but it's
I'd give it a 5.
Yeah.
An AD episode. I feel like I'm going to pass out in the back of an Uber. Brad just offered to hold my legs in the air. I feel like I would look like a freak. After eating, I get heart and blood pressure issues. So I always feel like I'm going to have a heart attack after I eat any meal. It can be like, I'd have 2 bites and I get like this. And the only thing that makes it feel better is putting my feet up in the air. Like, it's a blood pressure drop and then it goes high and drops and goes high. And then I can't think straight. So the only thing that feels better is doing this. So I'm going to do this for a bit and then go to the pool. Yeah.
That's what it looks like at the gym.
No. But
what do they do differently?
I don't know because I can never see them. Like I could,
No.
like it feels different to what they do. Do you want to just try my ankles and see what happens? Like flat. Like high. No, like you lift it. Yeah, like that. Oh yeah, that feels about the same. That feels, yeah.
I feel like I'm fucking, like,
Go.
breaking a fucking chicken bone or something.
Yeah, that'll do. I can get good workout. Battle roping. Just felt dreadful after lunch, so we just had a sleep for an hour, half an hour, I don't know. And then Brad tried to stretch me.
Excuse me. I stretched you with precision, not try.
Yeah.
Did.
He did well. And we're going to go to the pool, wait, no, the gym to warm up, and then we're going to go for a swim.
Yeah.
Can you stand in the pool? Wait.
Yeah, yep.
Do you want to see me go like a mermaid? Is my butt go under?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I see him. They kind of look like dogs with their tail.
So this isn't an 88 room. This is just a regular room. But this is my shower bench that we use, which works for any shower. Even
Or the bath.
Or the bath, it goes in the bath. And then I just sort of do this until it warms up. We are moving to our place where we're renting while we're back in Miami. The new carer and Brad are just taking the 2 suitcases and my beach wheelchair to the storage unit. And that'll be like an hour, hour and a half. So I'm just laying in bed looking at this view. We just checked into our new place. This is in Surfside in Miami. This is our room. It's a studio with a kitchen and an ADA bathroom. Roll under sink. Toilet with the bar. There's enough room to transfer head on or to the side. And then the shower.
So we've got a storage unit. It's like school lockers. They're like double story. So one's the size of that cupboard there, and there's another one on top of that. So then you got to get these huge ass ladders to get to the top shelf. And like we've got the beach chair up there, and then 2 huge suitcases. And I've got another backpack there.
Yeah.
So we need to go and get the backpack just in case there's shit. We're going to have to try to find a lower one.
Yes. Also, there was a condom on the floor. A dirty condom.
I don't think it was used. Because it's still rolled up. I don't know. I don't want to know.
Brad was thinking, oh, that's not used. Let's save some money.
Actually, that's what's in that bag.
Yeah. Okay. Well, this is our home for the next
25 days.
and 4 months.
Yeah, 4 months. It's 25 days straight. And then we go for 15 or 16 days to Mexico.
Everything will go into storage except for like 5 pairs of clothes, small bit of continent stuff for Mexico. And then when we come back from Mexico, we move back into this room.
There's a ramp outside, but it's pretty steep.
There's a ramp in the apartment next door and it's like 20 centimetres longer. So that would be really helpful. So maybe we just switch it in the night.
If someone else is using it.
Yeah, I think that girl is. That girl that we saw crossing the road, she's staying here. Yeah.
Well, we're not going to do that.
Yeah. She has that helper.
I think that's her partner as well.
Yeah, the help.
You have electrical assist.
And then a carer.
And a carer.
Yeah.
And you want to
the help.
Yeah. $19.71. Press hash or something.
No. The battery's not in. Go back through and ask them on the way out. That'll make my day if I can get in the pool. It looks like it hasn't been used forever though.
Even this looks like the buttons don't button. I don't know if that remote's going to work very well.
I feel like I'm going to get electrocuted.
It's under repair, which basically means never.
I feel like they have good intentions with having a pool hoist, but they actually
It
never gets used, so they don't keep it. Because that's the 3rd pool hoist we've seen since being here. Even before, San Fran didn't have one either. Had one, but it didn't work. I said let's go in here, but it's because I'm hot. Oh. I'm looking for a middle-aged sunbuzzer, thank you. Hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
Feeling hot, hot, hot.
What's in it? Your teeth are already blue. For half.
This beach is nice. This is cool. It reminds me of home with this. We are going to my first doctor visit today in the US. We need to get some payments because I'm only allowed to bring 3 months worth of payments here. So I need to get some morphine and endone and I need to see a doctor. So this will be my first doctor in the US. So we just got dropped off by my carer and then after we will get something to eat and then get her to come pick us up. 402. See that? There's a ketamine lounge. We just saw a nurse practitioner who works for the pain specialist. We're in there for 2 hours. It didn't go well. We have to get our address and proof of ID that we live in Florida to get my pain meds. And iCare didn't tell me any of this before leaving. They were supposed to organise all this and they told me not to organise it. So now I'm in this predicament.
Yeah.
So we need to go down to chat with the pharmacy to see what ID or what paperwork we can show them with our address on it. So I need that for the doctor. Then I also need state ID for the pharmacy to get opioids. So it's all for the opioids and Lyrica. Lyrica is a prohibited bit. She's trying to change my meds to meds that aren't controlled. There's no point in that. When I change my meds, it's 8 weeks to come off my current meds and then 8 weeks to settle into them. So that's 16 weeks of feeling extremely unwell. And usually I do that like once or twice a year, but I do it when I'm at home and don't have things on. So I don't want to change my meds. Do you know where the pharmacy is?
Yeah.
We just went to the pharmacy that TriStar pain specialist recommended. They said the pharmacy needs a Florida state ID to get my pain meds. But he was like, I'll give them to you. All you need is your passport. And then he was like, I think you should go see this other pain specialist. That'll be easier for you.
So we'll look them up.
I'll call them and check. Hopefully that's easier because this lady was very strict, like to get drug tested and everything. And all I want is my normal meds.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm doing anything crazy. All right. So should we try to get on this bus?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in Miami, bitch. No. Might get stuck in here and stay here forever.
Let me just drag the back over. Yep.
Thank you. Where are we going? Best Buy. We just tried getting an iPhone plan to get our address on it, but we need a social security number to get a plan. So it's not going very well, don't know. All we need is our address written somewhere.
Sure you're okay with Gray?
Positive. So what did he say to you?
He can sign us up on a post-paid plan that doesn't have fixed month, so we can cancel at any time. It's $65 per line for two of us if we sign up to this other thing. And then it's got our address on it from tomorrow, or the day that we sign
And
up.
we can go to Central America, Canada and USA. We don't need data roaming.
No data roaming, works everywhere.
And we could have our address by tomorrow.
By the time we sign up.
So then I could open a bank account tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah. Then we could
Get drugs.
get
Drugs!
get drugs, hopefully.
Yeah.
Very pretty. That's the pink lifeguard towers like you see in the movies. Brad wet this for me, so I'm like, it's pulling me down because I can't sweat. So I get very hot very quickly.
We better go put the bike back.
Yeah, before we get charged $1 billion.
Pizza.
We just got in an Uber after having a few cold drinks at this, what was it?
Sports bar.
Like a Miami Beach club.
Pool, at a pool and stuff.
Yeah.
We're going to head back tomorrow to get a new AT&T phone plan. Yeah, we could have done it today if we had our passports,
Yeah.
but
So we're just going to go home and chill now after that. It was very hot out there.
it's like 4 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh shit, it's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, time to go home.
We started at 9. We left at 9 this morning.
Half 8. Half 8.
Home sweet home. Tell you what they need on Uber, I just had this thought. They should, for people who are disabled, you click disabled and you choose what cars would work for you.
Yeah.
And they have a list. You can just choose a Camry or
Yeah. That's a good idea. Why? Who hurts you?
Be well.
Go and say it.
Dr. Diana.
Yeah.
You know what? When I had my accident, after all the doctors were always like to me, oh, is your concentration always being bad? And Mum and Dad would always be like, she just does shit.
That's what she wants.
Yeah, because they were like, it must be like all the drugs and stuff,
Oh,
and
yeah.
the anaesthetic and
Yeah.
everything that happens, and the trauma and depression makes you concentration bad. I'm like, no, no. I always wanted to watch this because I was bored. I don't want to this.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
And I was going to stop it, and then you went going on another rant, so I left it going. Stay there.
I've been able to kick it, but my legs don't do it.
Stay there. So Allison was just sitting there next to the pool, and then she decided that she wanted to throw a can of Coke at a bloke just doing Duolingo. To help her cravings, I filled the can back up with pool water, and now she's going to throw it in the alleyway. So we'll see.
First of all, I would just like to say this is an intrusive thought, and Brad doesn't get intrusive thoughts like I do. So I just tell him my intrusive thoughts. I wanted to peg this at someone, and I
Just
know
doing
that's-
Duolingo.
I know that's rude, But in my head, I was like, peg it. I've ADHD. That's so feedback in this story.
So now we get to see how good she can throw. Just wait.
Should I go to that other way? Should I just do it onto the street? Am I about to be arrested? How far do you reckon I could do it?
Like, you won't even get it to that gate.
Okay,
Go. Do you feel happy? Oh, go. Punch it. It'll sound like an okie doke. Yeah, go. Oh, and it stops.
It gets stuck in it.
Yeah, so now we're just fucking around in an alleyway. Because Allison has intrusive thoughts.
Yeah, and if Brad let me throw this at that man doing joy, we wouldn't have this problem. Do you reckon I could scoop it with my foot?
The only time your foot's going to do anything.
Well,
Yeah, you almost got it. I am helpful. I do help her.
They could pay me to recycle cans to be the can crusher.
Do you know how long that just took you to do? Not even crushed.
It is.
Uh-oh, there's coppers. They're coming for you.
It looks like GTA, the coppers here.
All right, off you go.
There's the cat. My best friends. Hey. Amigo.
Yeah, puss.